Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best sharpening stones you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many sharpening stones and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each sharpening stones so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a sharpening stone. The first thing to look at is the grit level, which determines how coarse or fine the sharpening surface is for your knives or tools. Coarse grits are best for repairing dull edges, while fine grits are ideal for polishing and refining sharpness. The second factor is the material of the stone, such as water stones, oil stones, or diamond stones, each offering different maintenance levels and sharpening speeds. Next, consider the size and shape of the stone, as larger stones provide more stability and surface area for longer blades. Also, think about ease of maintenance, including how often the stone needs flattening or lubrication. Lastly, always invest in a reliable brand with good user reviews for consistent results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.